there crafters, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be working on some designs. I have 3 designs that I'll be working on today. So I'm testing out these foils. So I have some rose gold foil, I have some silver foil, and I also have some gold foil. So I have 3 different designs that I'm going to be creating. So this is an ashtray for smoking, but I'm going to give this a nice glam look. All right, so let's jump into it. So I need my Mod Podge, and I also need a brush. So the Mod Podge will be used for the application of the foil. So I'm just putting Mod Podge in the areas that I want to lay the foil. So I have never worked with this type of foil before, so really today I am testing as well. And I'll have 2 other designs that will be done with spray paint. So I'm really excited to see the results of this. And these are nice decorative ideas for your home. Okay. Oh, I'm going to be using a gloves to apply this one. Because foil is so delicate, I'd rather work with the gloves with the hand that I'll be doing the application with. And I have my little tool here that I'll use to pick it up. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscription button below so you don't miss any of my videos. And leave me a comment below. Let me know if you've worked with foil like this before, and what were the results, if you've ever tried anything like this design that I'm doing today. We're on to the next, and we're going to be designing this glass. I'm not sure what it's called. I just saw it in the store and I thought it would make a nice piece for crafting. Okay, so we're just gonna apply Mod Podge inside the glass where we want it to lay. And this is how the foil came. It has quite a number of sheets in different colors. See why I want to wear my gloves. All right. Okay, so this is where we are. I'm going to allow this to dry, and then I will use some spray paint on the inside of it. All right, we'll be right back. Next up, we're transforming this bottle to a vase, and we're going to be using gold foil this time around. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try using the foil without the Mod Podge and see how it works. Okay, it's not working for this one for sure. Not for this jar. It's not working. So I'll need to apply Mod Podge on the inside. So let's just apply the foil. Be back with the finished results. Now that these are dry, we need to secure the outside of the designs. All right, so I'm going to use painter's tape and some newspaper to secure my work. So we're trying not to get any spray paint on the outside of the design, okay? Okay, so I am back with the finished products. This one is really nice. I'm so happy I didn't go with the glitter. Very nice. And it is a very creative way to kind of, just pop your space. We also have this one with the gold and silver vibe going on. My next up is giving me really nice classy. So this is gonna make a beautiful vase, and I will set that up and show you what it looks like. All right, so that's what we have for today. Let me know what you think about these in the comments, and let me know if you try it, how they turn out for you.